You know my name.
It's Breeze here and welcome to the fireworks vlog. So someone called Kian Hunt, I think it was on Instagram, told me to start like vlogs. I don't know, this is a gaming channel. We could make a vlog channel. I don't know if you guys want it. But we're gonna go to the fireworks display. The reason I'm recording this, I know you're saying, I know what you're probably saying. It's fireworks. I do get it, bro, but these are fireworks. Why are you recording it? Because it only happens once a year. So it's special. And we're getting ready for 2017. 2017 will be great. Even though it's like 2 months later. I might meet my friend Owen, Gaming Pikachu, link in the description for his channel. And we're gonna go. I'll cut to you when we're gonna go. I think we're gonna go and do some sparklers. Evie, the sparklers! Wait, mine out the way, please. I don't wanna burn. Evie, spell something.
I'm gonna spell
The camera can't see it, oh no. Spell my YouTube name.
Okay, 2 seconds.
No, it's Breeze! Damn it!
I-T-C-R-S.
Oh, jeez, look! Evie, behind you! Evie, behind you! Sorry, I got distracted. Wait, hold on. Bruh, sucker! We got fireworks for days! Look at those ones! Oh! Oh!
No, if you're not near your eyes, don't get up in here like that.
Wait, I'm going to try and turn my flashlight on. I can't, oh damn it. Damn, are they done? I think that's my neighbour Sam. He's not really my neighbour because we've got this one here. But he's my friend at least. And he lives near me. He's like, what are you throwing? Daddy, that's littering. So we are out. It is freezing cold. Hand is freezing. We're out and about in the streets. I was running through the 6 with my wolves. Hold on.
No, come on.
No, hold on. Oh, that failed. That failed. I don't know. I'm just in an excited moment. And I'm gonna. Oh, hands. Oh gosh. Almost dropped my phone. It's so cold. I've got to do this. So cold. I was running through the 6 with my wolves. Gosh, it's so cold. So cold. My hands are dying. Oh, I'm blocking the camera. But my hands are so cold. It is freezing. Oh, it's freezing my hands. No, I wasn't gonna wear gloves because now I've dropped my phone. I know, but I want to hold my phone. Oh, I got the perfect thing. I made it a bit like GoPro. GoPro on your hoodie. It's so cold. That is the only thing that can actually light up this thing. You can hardly see it. Why does it look white? Okay, I'm putting my camera like in the road. Weird. Oh, here comes the car. Jesus. Okay. I'm just gonna put my hands in my pocket. Yeah, I'm warm except my hands. I can't stop complaining about my hands. It's freezing. It is freezing. Woo. Doesn't that look a bit creepy on the camera, but in real life it's not.
What's over?
Cross. Okay. Why was I looking left and right with the camera? Damn. We haven't missed it, have we?
Gary's done well tonight by the sounds of it.
It is so cold. Hopefully this video gets up to you. I'm going to just cut it till we get a bit further. And meet my friend Owen, aka Gaming Pikachu. You guys, so Joella torches. Going to a haunted house, but this time we're going to a haunted mansion. So let's go. That was like 10 out of 10 Joella impression. Sorry, I love Joella. I'm sorry, Joella, if you didn't like that. I tried. Even really? Even people clean up these leaves. You're so mean. Evie, I think they're just like, stop putting that on them. Stop putting the torch on there. It's making them go mental. You can't see them properly, can you? Oh no, it sucks. I can't actually get them. Let's go. I was running through the 6 with my what? Hold on, let me turn on the flashlight. Okay, the flashlight is on. Is that good? I don't know. Flashlight on the phone is on. Oh, I think it's doing okay. It's doing a fireworks entrance. Then we need to go to the pub. That's where Owen's meeting us.
What's the road?
Oh yeah.
No, we've got to go somewhere else.
There's a Shepherd sign. Firework entrance, outside bar. Yeah, there's a pub over here. Hold on. So here we go to the. Oh, that's better. That light is doing a very good job. We got this Dalcini. I love that water thing. That water thing is so awesome. White Hart Hotel. It's like a tall Shepherd. It's a tall where I live, guys. Well, guess this counts as a vlog. We are with Owen. Finally, the Gaming Pikachu. Is there any other numbers?
I'm not sure. Actually, there's a ZZ.
ZZ.
ZZ. I just decided to throw the ZZ in there.
Gaming Pikachu.
Why not?
Gaming Pikachu's.
ZZ.
Gaming Pikachu's. Pikachu's.
Hashtag Pikachu's for the win.
Yeah, your channel will be in the description. I'll subscribe to my friend Owen. He's awesome.
Boom,
So Owen, what game are you playing?
Clash Royale.
It sounded so sad as you said that. Clash Royale. Yeah, I'm playing Clash Royale. Clash Royale. So we're gonna
Look at this, goddamn. Wait, where's Larry? Yay, Larry.
Larry.
This is Larry.
I haven't got to. I might be. I don't know. Should I do a let's play? Or?
Yeah, Larry the spooky, scary skeletons. Where's Skelly? Wait, Jimmy?
Halloween was like 3 days ago.
Yeah, that's why Skelly is too spooky.
Okay, me and Owen, we're gonna cut to when we get to the fireworks. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
You sounded so sad. Why are you?
Bye.
Why do you just sound like that? Bye.
Oh yeah, I make a grand return in January.
Okay. Expect Owen.
Oh. Why does everybody hate all my drinks today?
Okay, we'll cut to the. Okay, we're back. We're about to go to the scary fire.
Come on, Owen!
Owen! Okay. Okay, we're in. And we are the brick wall. Here we go. Let's go. The fireworks probably have already started. Great. We got hot dog. What is this creepy music? Listen to this creepy music. Wait, it started. The fire, it started already. Wait, we need to get in. Scary as damn. It is. What's going on?
It's the fire of shepherds.
Everybody run! Wait, where's that fire? Where's that police? Maybe it's gone wrong. Maybe it wasn't gonna come. cold.
It's here.
Where?
Now look at that.
But I'm just speaking there.
Oh. Do you think that tree's gonna get set on fire?
Yeah, I think it's
If it
burning.
gets set on fire, you will see me bolting.
Oh. I can't stop saying how cold it is. Ah.